Hello, this is Kurt V, and I'm going to show you all the places where with Gordo slimes that give you keys. I'm here on Slime Rancer, the cutest games ever. I'm going to show you all the best, all the places where to find Gordo slimes that'll give you some keys. And keep in mind this you have some of these you have to have keys to get to. This is gonna first you'll have the giant what do you call it? You'll have a phosphor slime Gordo here. His favorite food is, let me look. His favorite food is fruits, and his diet is fruit, and his favorite is a cuberry. The next, oh yeah. I'd suggest you get this guy. That guy will give you good. He'll give you a pretty. He'll give you a key, and it's really easy to explode and get the key from him. Second, the second place I'd suggest going is through here. Just be really careful. After you got that slime called the phosphor slime, you want to go through here. Don't let them touch you. Right. And you're gonna want to go all the way here and use your key on this one, on this place, and then you wanna go this way and go through here. This is a really good place to get yourself some, yeah, and there will be a rock slime here, and you give you a teleporter to here. I suggest you get that teleporter because if you go through this cave, if you go through here, all the way here, you'll find some rad slimes. Rad slimes are really useful, and not only will you get a rad slime, you'll get not only will you find rad slimes here, you'll find crystal slimes. They're really useful. You're gonna wanna get up here, and you wanna go down here, all the way here, and there's your crystal slime. Of course, there's another way to get there. I know, but this is the fastest way to get to that section, and I suggest that way. If you a better place to get rad slimes than this specific place is to go a little further in, and all the way through all the way here, and you'll see there's a lot of rad slimes over there. Just saying, you need a jetpack to get over there. Then we've got this section. Where are they? They're oh, what? Usually they're mixed with the what do you call it? Usually they are mixed with the what do you call it? The yeah. The radiation won't kill you, but it will damage you from the rad slimes. But it only will start damaging you first when it's at 100. But I thought I use some fish as well today, but that's the best said way to get there, and with the teleporter you'll get a lot of money and stuff. So, yeah. Oh no. Okay, these guys are either and you want to shoot them with water. I think you get the water slot as quickly as possible because they will eat other people. How you other slimes? How you stop those slimes aka star slimes, that's what they're called, is by shooting by giving them the same plot they have. So yeah, I thought I'd do for an extra thing today. I'm gonna do a few quests. Teleport is so pretty usually I'm pretty sure you'll know know that. And I think the best way for you to expand your first way is to go through this section right here, because it leads to this leads to a place where love chicken leads up, and it leads to a Gordo that makes a teleporter to other place that leads to a pink slime, a pink Gordo that'll give you a key. So that's the easiest way to get a key and stuff. And there's a lot of chicken that just pop up here, and it's really easy to just get food from this way. And I suggest really that you get this as soon as possible. This is going to be one of the best ways to get loot when you begin. The first slimes I'd suggest to get are rock slimes, and then try and get some money to get the jetpack and move, and a lot of food and move out. Get the phosphorus slime Gordo and complete and explode him, get the key and open that path I showed you right there, and go. But I've thought about it, and think I'm gonna. Is that really a few slimes? Just wow. Okay, 2 rock slimes, 2 rock chickens and chicken. This should be easy. I haven't done really a lot of quests, and I've thought of doing a few, so I'm gonna do a whole video where I just do quests eventually. Oh yeah, the second, I suggest you use most of your money on the upgrades, and when you hear this music, you know this. The most frustrating place in there for me this far in the game was the ancient ruins. It's a giant maze, and you have to do a lot of work let's just say it's a really annoying experience. It's a really annoying experience. It's a giant maze, and it's all to get to the what do you call it? The glass desert, and that's actually a pretty fun place, and really useful. You get a lot of huge slimes, you know. What the hell? Sorry about my language. Do you know how many of them? And it's only mixed slimes that really can't turn false slimes. So yeah, but remember, don't let that that stop you from mixed slime, because I know a friend, because he had a tar slime game, he never farms. He never ever farms what do you call it, mixed slimes. But it's actually a really good way of making money, and I suggest you do it. Do not get these guys. They do give you good money, but do not, because they really explode. Why is he nervous? This is another open place with a key you need to get to. I'd suggest you unlock this place, but reasons. I need 2 more chicken, a hen, and then I'll be able to go. 2 more hen. Only 2 more hen. On the earlier, when your earlier game, you'll wonder what the ornaments are made for. When you get slime science for 10,000, then you'll understand, because what? Hunter slime, a hunter slime. Where did he go? I want to tell you something. If you find a hunter slime, get them. If you mix them, if you mix a hunter slime with another creature, they will go really mad and try attacking you. You need high walls and the internet, but it's worth it because they give you a lot of money. And just give them some food and they'll stop being angry for a long time until they're hungry. Yeah. They'll try to eat. Sorry, good. And when they go like this, when they get unhappy, just nothing's gonna happen. They're just gonna be unhappy. Just feed them and they'll make you some clothes. And if you feed a slime its favorite food, will give you stuff. I'm saying really basic stuff, and everybody, and I can think everybody will say no, or we know this, because a lot of people do this in the comments. But don't worry, I know this is, everybody knows this. I'm just saying it for newer guys. Where's the options? Where's the way out? Where's the way out? I never find the way out. But I know where teleporter is. While I'm here, I'll show you the way out. You have to put some plorts in every one of those, and then you want to go through here into the ancient ruins. So where you want to go is you want to go around there. When you see this place, you're gonna want to open this, go down, which you want to go, and you want to open this piece right here. Then you want to go from around here all the way to here. Then you're gonna want to go from here all the way up there. You're gonna want to open this, and then you want to go. What is this? There, this way. You want to go this way. Then you want to go up here, and then you're gonna want to go. You want to go up, you want to parkour this piece. It's pretty easy. No. So you can also just go from down here up there. If you go from You can do that, or you can just run up from here. And then you're gonna wanna